Most people look at a plugin like WPZap and see a way to save money. They see a way to cancel their $30 monthly Zapier bill. And if you watched part 1 of this series, you know that's a huge win. But if that is all you see, you are leaving money on the table. Serious money. Welcome back to part 2 of our deep dive into WPZap. Today, we are not just talking about saving pennies. We are talking about generating a recurring income stream that could replace your 9 to 5. Look at this. There are 470 million WordPress sites in the world. Most of them are run by business owners who are manually copy pasting data, wasting hours every day. They don't have the time to learn automation. They don't want to learn nodes and triggers. They just want their problem fixed. This video outlines a strategy where you install WPZap on a client site, set up 3 simple automations, and charge a setup fee of $100 to $500. I know what you are thinking, but wait, won't they just buy the plugin themselves? No, they won't, because they don't watch videos like this. You have the knowledge. And today I'm going to show you the specific pro features inside WPZap that allow you to build systems clients will happily pay for. Systems that run on autopilot while you sleep. To sell automation, you need to move beyond simple. If this, then that. You need intelligence. You need conditional logic. Scroll with me. This is where WPZap separates itself from the cheap, bogey alternatives. Clients have complex needs. They might say, I want to send a welcome email to everyone, but if they spend more than $500, I want to tag them as a VIP in my CRM and ping my sales team on Slack. Most basic plugins choke on this. They can do though if then split. WPZap handles it natively. You can build a single workflow that adapts based on order value, user role, event form, responses. This is smart routing, and it is the difference between a $50 job and a $500 job. Now, let's talk about the future that usually bankrupts agency owners. Webhooks. Look at the comparison table here. If you use Uncanny Automator, which is a fantastic tool, don't get me wrong, you have to pay $149 every single year just to unlock the ability to send data to external apps. Zapier, you are on the hook for their monthly premium plans. WPZap includes webhooks in the one-time price. Wait, did your eyes just glaze over? Webhooks? Boring, right? Wrong. Webhooks are your magic wand. They let you connect WordPress to anything. AI tools, custom CRMs, SMS gateways, things that don't even have a WordPress plugin. This means you never have to tell a client, no, I can't connect that. You just say yes, charge for it, and use a webhook. Before we get into the final feature that guarantees your passive income, I have a special deal for the action takers watching this. If you are realizing that this tool pays for itself with just one client setup and you are willing to get this deal, do check out the official website from the first link in the description box. I'm going to sweeten the pot. If you purchase from my link, I'm going to provide you with a free bonus to help you start your automation agency faster. In order to get that bonus, simply contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll personally send you the bonus. Link is down there. Don't wait until the price goes off. Okay, back to business. The number one fear of every service provider is, what if it breaks? If you sell an automation and it stops working, you don't have a passive income. You have a headache. This is why this is the most important. Automatic retries. If Google Sheets goes down for 5 seconds or your client's hosting hiccups, WPZap doesn't just fail and give up. It retries. It purchases the data again until it goes through. And if a client asks, did that order go through? You don't have to guess. you check the execution logos, you have proof. This ability is what allows you to charge a monthly maintenance fee just to keep an eye on things, even though plugins does the heavy lifting for you. So let's look at the ROI here. You pay one-time fee less than the cost of a nice dinner, and you own the engine. You install it on your site to save time, or you install it on client sites to make money. And if you are skeptical, look at this. There is a 30-day money back guarantee. You can literally buy it, land a client, get paid, and then decide if you want to keep it. The risk is effectively zero. Now, making money with this tool is great, but keeping that money is even better. If you want to know exactly how I stopped paying hundreds of dollars every month to Zapier and secured this entire automation based for a simple one-time deal, click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now. I break down the full tutorial and show you the math on how to save $900 a year starting today. Click it and I'll see you